Work. Hello everybody. Today we got my dad's car, his 2017 Mk7 GTI. He's out of town right now. I'm going to surprise him with a nice little upgrade. We got these EBC Redstuffs here. These are these are the ceramic, awesome brake pads that I put on my car. We're going to see if it makes a big difference on the Mk7, because it made a huge difference on my car. The brakes on this are already good as it is. It's not a performance pack or anything, so it doesn't have the huge, awesome Golf R brakes, and actually the rear pad is super tiny. Look at how small that is. Look how cute that is. So we're going to put these on and see if they actually work, and if it really makes a big difference over stock. So here's the sticker. So yeah, thanks EBC Brakes for, I guess they didn't send them to me for free, or actually at any discount, so, but thanks for making them, I guess. So yeah, time for an install. Is this the right one? Is this gonna be the right size? Frick you, Mr. YouTube, and your stupid suggestions. So apparently you gotta break both of them loose, otherwise this guy just gets all wobbly. Oh gosh, okay. Stay. Alright. Let's clean these up. Stand back, everyone. We got this AutoZone Special brake cleaner. Is this stuff good for your skin? Doubt it. Here comes Shane. Alright, so we've got this EBC brakes caliper lube. Let's go stick this bad boy in. Let's go ahead and just slide this back on. Always be sure to torque your bolts. This is like 26-ish foot-pounds, which is about 35 Newton meters of torque. Torque them so your brakes don't fall off. Done. One. There. Two. Make sure your handbrake is off, by the way, because if it's not, then you're not going to get this off. It's not going to move at all. Don't ask how I know. And we'll get this other one out. Cute. Let's get a brush. Okay, so for this one in the back, you've got these two little notches here where you're going to put in the spinny tool. You're gonna put in the brake caliper tool and basically twist it back. This one rotates. Put these little tabs in the notches. Now for the fun part. I like to call this game die. That's basically what you have to do to get this thing out. I'm using one of these stupid freaking box ends here. Using this to twist it, because that's how physics work. Well, you know, I think that's probably good. Yeah, it looks totally fine to me. Remember, kids, caliper material goes towards the inside. Idiot. Using the last of this copper butter. Yeah, and I did away with the glove because safety's stupid. Don't need safety when you have freedom. That's the American way. So yeah, make sure you don't get like dirt in this, because dirt isn't the best lubricant. It's something that I learned. It's easier if you push down on these tabs, so you kind of put it in at an angle with the inside going in first and the outside kind of sticking out like this. Because the way these tabs are shaped, the way these tabs are shaped, you kind of set it on that, push down on it. So you'll push down like that and it pinches it and then you slide it into place. Push down. Push down and we're in. Okay, so brute force does not work. Welcome back, everybody. This is Average GTI. My name's Sam, but that's what you all know me as. So it's been about a month since I've installed the brakes. My dad loved it. The car's still in one piece. Guess I did a pretty good job. I'll say so myself. So, yeah, in that month, all hell has broken loose. The world's gone to crap. And people have died. But unlike coronavirus, these brakes prevent deaths. So these are the old ones. Some of them are better than others, and no one ever told me that brake pads were dirty, which they are. So here's a sponsored little plug. Buy your EBC brakes. You can get a set for like less than $150 if you're smart about it. You spend 5 minutes on Google and yeah, you can find a good deal. So don't spend more than $150 on these brakes. I don't know what it's like for other cars, but GTI's very cheap. Would I recommend these brakes? Yeah. All right, check this out. Here are some videos of me driving in Mexico, doing some stoppy videos with this. Usually people do like 40 poles accelerating, but these are like decelerating, going slower. So enjoy. Another thing to be noted, when I did the install, the car was on winter tires. It was on Bridgestone Blizzaks, and my dad just put on some Continental Conti Pro contacts, I think, just a few days ago. So that will obviously help braking performance, because those Blizzaks, those are some squishy tires, man. Those things are very floaty. Okay, and brakes. Very good. Man, Mexico sure is fun. I love this place. Oh, Prius pulled out in front of us. And that's 0. Okay, now that my face is, let's get it set back into place. my face is back in place. We'll do another 40 to 0. Actually, we'll do 50 to 0. Because science. Oh no, a Nissan. Oh, yes, please. These brakes are so good. All right, let's go back to the garage. Okay, so I'm actually filming this before I've seen both clips, but I'm just gonna assume that the new setup is better because they're upgraded brake pads and also it's on summer tires now for all seasons. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you didn't learn too much, because if you're learning from me, then you're probably doing it wrong, because I'm not the guy you want to learn from. But it's a fairly straightforward install. Just go to your local auto parts store like AutoZone or O'Reilly or Advance Auto, whatever. Or if you're not in America, I don't know what they have in other countries. Usually people have the tools that you can rent out for free to do your brakes. Make sure you get enough lubricant or the copper butter paste stuff. Just lather that stuff on all over the place, because you need it. Because when I did the brakes on my car, I didn't put enough of that stuff on, and they were pretty squeaky. So I had to redo it, and you don't want to redo your brakes too often. Because as easy of a job as it is, it's still a job, and it sucks. So I hope you all hated this video. I try my best to bore all of you by putting up crappy content. So if there's any crappy content that you'd like to see, handwrite me a letter and then throw it in the garbage, because I don't care about your stupid suggestions. Okay, I'm gonna do what I want. It's hard enough for me as it is making these videos, because it's not fun. Just kidding. I like making videos, okay? I'm not doing this for you. This is not for you. This is for me. Hopefully sometime in the near future, I will be doing a comparison video between this, my Mark 6, and my brother's Mark 5. The Mark 5 currently has stock, all-around stock brakes on it. So it'll be interesting to see which car stops sooner. And yeah, maybe we'll do some 40 rolls like that, some more opposite 40 rolls. Yeah, I don't know what you want to call it. So, okay, well, stay stupid, everyone. I'll see you later.